In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten a position using TradingView DOM. This is a straightforward yet essential skill for anyone using TradingView for trading, helping to manage your positions with ease. Let's walk through this process together, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable and ready to flatten your positions whenever needed. First things first, ensure you have access to TradingView and you're logged into your account. Once you're all set, go ahead and open your TradingView chart. This is your main point of interaction for analyzing market trends, monitoring your favorite stocks or cryptocurrencies, and performing necessary trading activities. Familiarizing yourself with the chart environment is crucial, as it houses all the trading tools you'll be leveraging. Now, once you have your desired chart open, direct your attention to the bottom section and look for the Trade button. Clicking on this button will bring up several trading options and allow you to access additional features that TradingView offers. Feel free to hover around and familiarize yourself with the various tools available here. These features are designed to streamline your trading experience, making the process more intuitive and effective. After accessing the Trade menu, you will see a few options, but what we're interested in today is the DOM, or the Depth of Market feature. DOM is a powerful tool that provides you with insight into market depths, showing you all the buy and sell orders at different price levels. Select the DOM option, which will then display the order book associated with the asset on your chart. Understanding the DOM is beneficial because it allows you to see the market liquidity, identify support and resistance levels, and evaluate the strength of current market participants. Now, once you're viewing the DOM interface, you will notice the Flatten button, typically positioned for easy access. The Flatten option is a nifty tool that allows you to close all open positions on the selected asset at once. It's particularly useful in scenarios where you need to quickly exit the market, thus averting further potential losses or securing profits effectively. Simply click the Flatten button and it will automatically execute the necessary trades to close out your position, bringing your position to zero. And that's a wrap on how to flatten a position using TradingView DOM. This capability is incredibly useful for both new and seasoned traders, offering you control and flexibility with minimal fuss. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment in a demo account to get a better feel for how this process works. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy trading, and see you in the next tutorial.